Have you ever wondered, why do we brush our teeth automatically every morning? Why do some people exercise daily without a second thought, while others struggle to even get started? Why do we reach for our phones the moment we wake up, almost without realizing it? The answer lies in something invisible, something that silently shapes our lives every single day. That invisible force is habit. Habits are powerful. They are the small decisions we make and the tiny actions we perform over and over until they become second nature. And though they may seem small, their impact is massive. Habits can either be the foundation of success or the reason behind failure. Today, let's dive deep into the power of habit, how habits are formed, how they control our behavior, and most importantly, how you can transform your life by reshaping them. A habit is simply a behavior repeated so many times that your brain starts to perform it automatically. Think about driving a car. At first, it's hard. You consciously think about every move, the brake, the accelerator, the mirrors. But after years of practice, driving becomes effortless. You can even carry on a conversation or listen to music while doing it. That's what habits do. They shift behaviors from conscious effort to automatic routine. In psychology, there's something called the habit loop. It has 3 parts. Cue, a trigger that tells your brain to start the habit. Routine, the actual behavior or action. Reward, the benefit your brain receives which makes it want to repeat the loop. For example, imagine you get stressed at work. That's the cue. You go to the vending machine and grab a chocolate bar. That's the routine. The sugar gives you a rush and momentary comfort. That's the reward. Your brain learns stress equals chocolate equals feel better. Repeat it enough, and soon every time you feel stress, your brain craves chocolate. That's how habits are wired. Here's the truth. Habits shape nearly 40% of our daily actions. That means almost half of what you do each day isn't a conscious decision, it's habit. If your habits are good, they push you toward growth. Exercise, reading, eating healthy, saving money. But if your habits are harmful, they hold you back. Smoking, procrastination, unhealthy eating, wasting hours scrolling online. This is why successful people focus less on motivation and more on building systems of habits. Motivation can fade, but habits, they carry you forward automatically. One of the most fascinating things about habits is that small habits compound over time. Just like money grows with interest, habits grow with repetition. Read 10 pages a day, it doesn't feel like much, but in a year, you'll have read more than 12 books. Save a little money each week, and in a few years, you'll have a safety net. Do 10 push-ups daily, and slowly, your body transforms. Small habits might seem unimportant today, but multiplied by time, they can change everything. Of course, not all habits are good, so how do we break bad ones? First, identify the cue. Is it stress, boredom, loneliness? Second, replace the routine with a healthier one. For example, instead of eating junk food when stressed, go for a 5-minute walk or practice deep breathing. Third, make the reward satisfying. Celebrate your healthier choice. Over time, your brain rewires itself. Here's the key. You don't eliminate bad habits, you replace them because your brain always craves the loop. So, how do you form new positive habits? Start small. Want to meditate? Start with just 2 minutes a day. Attach it to an existing routine. For example, after I brush my teeth, I'll meditate. This is called habit stacking. Make it easy. If you want to exercise, put your workout clothes where you can see them. Track your progress. Each checkmark is a small victory for your brain. Think about athletes. Their success isn't about one incredible day of training. It's about years of consistent, repeated habits: diet, sleep, practice. Or writers. Many successful authors write at the same time every day, even if they don't feel inspired, because habit creates consistency, and consistency creates results. There's a famous saying, "We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. So, what's the true power of habit? It's the power to shape who we become. Every action you repeat carves a path in your brain. Over time, those paths become your identity. Good habits create freedom. Freedom from procrastination, from regret, from wasted time. The power of habit is the power of transformation. It's how small, invisible choices today become the life you live tomorrow. So ask yourself, what habits are shaping my life right now? Are they leading me toward the future I want, or holding me back? Remember, change doesn't start with a big leap. It starts with one small habit, repeated day after day, until it changes your world. Thank you for listening. If this inspired you, share it with someone who's ready to build better habits and step into a better life.